In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Excel 2007. Even though Microsoft officially ended support for this version back in October 2017, there's still a lot you can do to ensure your software is as up-to-date as possible. Let's dive in and get started with the options available to you. Firstly, it's important to know that Office 2007, including Excel, went through three major updates known as service packs. These were designed to address various issues and improve the functionality of the software. The first service pack, SP1, was released in 2007. This pack focused on fixing numerous bugs and enhancing performance, especially for users operating on Windows Vista at the time. SP2, which followed in 2009, brought with it new compatibility features. It allowed users to work with file formats like ODF, XPS, and PDF more effectively, in addition to boosting overall stability. Finally, SP3 came out in late 2011, marking the last service pack available for Office 2007. These service packs are integral to optimizing your Office 2007 experience, and you can still download SP3 manually from the Microsoft site or through the Microsoft Update catalog. Apart from service packs, you can also apply security fixes to your Excel 2007. Over the years, Microsoft released various updates to address security vulnerabilities, like the notable Excel Math Display Patch. It's crucial to apply these if you want to minimize risks associated with using outdated software. To find these patches, revisit Microsoft's site or check out their update catalog, where these updates are still accessible. Another option is using the merged Microsoft Update service. Previously, there was an Office Update service specifically for older versions. Now, it's all integrated into Microsoft Update. This means you can still search for and install legacy patches for Office 2007. While automatic updates are no longer possible due to the end of support, this feature provides a way to keep your software relatively up-to-date with the last available fixes. Now let's talk about why automatic updates aren't an option anymore. As we mentioned earlier, Microsoft ended all support for Office 2007 in October 2017. This end of support means there will be no new updates or security patches available via Windows Update. Without these automatic updates, you're responsible for manually tracking down and installing any last patches released before support ended. While these steps can't bring new features to your Excel 2007, they will help enhance performance through existing improvements and maintain a level of security that allows you to continue using the software safely. Following these guidelines will make sure that your Office 2007 holds its own, even without Microsoft's ongoing support. Whether you choose to download the service packs, apply security fixes from the catalog, or use Microsoft Update, you'll have a better grasp on optimizing your Excel experience. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to ask me any questions.